Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garage shelving, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from garage shelving, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage shelving from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Top-rated magnetic shelving. Adjustable metal garage shelving heavy duty. Shelving heavy duty is the perfect solution. Designed with versatility and durability in mind, this 5-tier metal shelving unit can hold up to 3,000 DPs with ease. Its adjustable design lets you customize the height of each shelf to fit your storage needs. Whether for residential or commercial use, this 72-inch tall shelving unit offers ample space, measuring 60-inch wide, 24-inch depth, 72-inch height. The steel construction with anti-tipping kits ensures maximum stability, while the water-resistant finish makes it ideal for any environment. Assemble it in just 10 minutes with the included tools and gloves. Upgrade your space with the REIBII heavy-duty shelving, perfect for garages, pantries, kitchens, and more. Stay organized, save space, and enjoy hassle-free storage. This assembly agency in Chinook. Number 2. Fleximounts 2-pack floating wall shelf garage shelving. Transform your garage or kitchen with the Fleximounts 2-pack floating wall shelf garage shelving. These heavy-duty 2 into 6 feet wall Moz shelves are designed to help you organize and declutter with ease. Each set includes 2 sturdy shelves, crafted from durable powder-coated steel, offering a combined weight capacity of 800 pantries. These floating shelves feature a unique buckle design with Velcros for enhanced stability and safety. They're compatible with wood stud spacings of 16-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch, providing flexible mounting options. With an easy installation process, complete with a template and bubble level, you can have them set up in no time. Built to last and designed to keep your essentials secure, Fleximounts shelves are the perfect storage solution for your home. Organize smarter and make the most of your space today. Number 3. DARTIIA 72-inch height heavy-duty storage garage shelving. Upgrade your storage game with the DARTIIA 72-inch heavy-duty storage garage shelving. This modern 5-tier metal shelving unit offers unmatched durability and flexibility, holding up to an impressive 3,000 pounds total weight. Each layer can support 600 pounds thanks to its thickened double metal legs and reinforced design. Perfect for garages, basements, kitchens, or even living rooms, this shelving unit's adjustable connectors let you customize the height of each shelf to fit your needs. Use it as one large rack or separate it into 2 horizontal workbenches for added versatility. Built from industrial-strength cold-rolled steel with a rust-resistant powder coating, it's designed to last. Assembly is a breeze. Complete it in just 10 minutes with the included hammer, gloves, and instructions. Declutter and transform your space with the Dardia shelving unit. Durable, adjustable, and perfect for any heavy-duty storage needs. Number 4. BestOffice 4-tier shelving unit NSF wire shelf metal large storage. Say goodbye to clutter with the BestOffice 4-tier shelving unit. Crafted from heavy-duty alloy steel with a sleek black finish, this 54-inch tall storage unit is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, garages, or offices. Its adjustable design lets you customize shelf heights to fit your items, while the leveling feet ensure stability on any surface. Each of the 4 tiers can hold up to 250 PLBs, with a total weight capacity of 1,000 PLBs, making it ideal for storing tools, clothes, books, and more. The durable steel wire construction resists dirt and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Despite its robust design, this shelving unit is compact, providing ample storage without taking up too much space. Whether you're organizing your home or workplace, this multifunctional shelving unit has you covered. Order now and enjoy a clutter-free, organized space. Number 5. Optymira heavy-duty adjustable steel garage storage shelves. Organize your garage, basement, or storage room with the Optymira heavy-duty adjustable steel garage shelves. This modern 5-tier shelving unit offers a durable and versatile solution for heavy-duty storage needs. Made from premium steel with a rust-proof, scratch-resistant finish, each shelf can hold up to 400 LPS, providing a total capacity ideal for heavy items like oil drums, toolboxes, and tires. The adjustable design lets you customize shelf heights or split the unit into two separate racks for added flexibility. With dimensions of 72-inch height, 35.4-inch wide, 15.7-inch depth, this shelving unit offers ample space while maintaining a compact footprint. Its easy-to-assemble interlocking design requires no nuts or bolts and includes gloves, a hammer, and clear instructions for hassle-free setup. Whether for your garage, laundry room, or gym, Optymira shelves are the ultimate solution to maximize storage and keep your space organized. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.